Click on the link below to get price. The FIRMAN Inverter Portable Generator is a robust and reliable option for those seeking dependable power on the go. With a powerful 171 cubic centimeters engine and an impressive 3300 W output, this generator is designed to meet various energy needs, making it ideal for camping trips, tailgating, or residential backup during outages. One of the standout features of this generator is its electric start capability. This innovation eliminates the hassle of pull starts, making it incredibly user-friendly. Simply press a button, and you're ready to go. This is especially beneficial for those who may have difficulty with traditional starting methods, providing a seamless experience from the outset. The inverter technology integrated into the FIRMAN generator ensures that the power output is clean and stable, making it suitable for sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones. This feature is crucial for anyone who values device safety and performance, particularly in today's tech-driven environment. Another commendable aspect is its fuel efficiency. The generator offers a solid runtime on a single tank of gasoline, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted power for hours. Its compact and portable design, combined with a lightweight frame, makes it easy to transport, whether you're loading it into a vehicle or moving it around your home or campsite. Noise levels are also worth mentioning. The FIRMAN generator operates quietly compared to traditional generators, making it suitable for use in residential areas or during quiet camping nights. Additionally, it includes multiple outlets, allowing you to power several devices simultaneously without compromising performance. In summary, the FIRMAN Inverter Portable Generator stands out for its excellent combination of power, efficiency, and user-friendly features. With its electric start, inverter technology, and portability, it's a practical choice for anyone in need of reliable power, whether for leisure or emergency situations. Overall, this generator delivers impressive performance and value, making it a worthwhile investment for any outdoor enthusiast or homeowner.